Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I'll be doing my simple glam on the go, ready to go, less than 30 minutes. Makeup look, basically face, very light shadow, eyebrows, mascara, lips, glow, you know. If you are interested in watching my video and seeing how I did this, continue watching. Please let me know what you think, and if you would, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and let me know, let me know what you want to see next.
I'm going to go ahead and use the Pro Filter Banana Powder by Fenty Beauty. It's a little dirty, it's a little baby, you know. And then I'm going to mix in just a little bit of the Locket. What? My itch. Anyway, the Locket powder, translucent. I have patting that little spot right there, girl. Any little itches you got, girl, go ahead and itch now, because once you set that shit, you ain't going to want to be touching nothing.
Drop some my Morphe. I don't know what brush it is. It doesn't have a name on it, so give it a shake, and then hold up. Don't do nothing yet. You need to make sure all them creases under your eyes is gone. So what I do, I look all the way up. And pat that mixture underneath your eyes. First, I get up under the crease. Make sure that doesn't go nowhere. My favorite thing to use ever for brows or whatever, my Anastasia Pro Brow Kit. Do your thing. No, I'm just playing. But I mix dark brown. Well, this is dark brown, but I mix the two colors together. Then I will go under the brow. Okay, next, after I will roughly kind of fill them in, just make sure I get the color underneath the hair, back and forth, you know, do what you gotta do. You got thicker brows, you have to go under more, but my hair is pretty thin, so, you know, just fill in the area. Not really too picky on how the hell it looks right now, but this is the magic right here. The MAC Studio Fix Concealer and my little paintbrush from either Michael's or Walmart is where I got it. But it's literally a paintbrush. And take this little Moda brush. Make sure everything is set before you go on to the next step. And again, I'll be taking another Morphe face brush. Again, no motherfucking name, but it's cool. With my Hoola bronzer. Oops.
I go down right here, connect it, and come back up. That way you don't take your contour too low. And I like to go around the perimeter of my forehead. I do have a smaller forehead, so I don't want to take it too low. You know, get up under that hair, girl. Get up under there, make sure everything is nice and seamless.
With a little bit of blush and another Morphe brush. This is from the Gilded set. One of my favorite sets from Morphe. Okay, and for the next step, it's broken, but it's cool because it still works. Fuck. Oh well. Forever Young and Glow Getter. Go in a circular motion, that way it's nice and blended against the cheek. On a simple day, I just throw that highlighter in the inner corners, brighten up your eyes. Then, one more time, I'm gonna take fluffy Morphe brush. Just dust this in my crease. Oh, I didn't realize this had a little mirror. Okay, let me go ahead and use it real quick. Fuck, hold up. Wow. Bruh. Oh shit. This one's Supernatural. Peachy nude. This one is a nude as well. It's called Knock on Wood, but it's also a little bit more browny. One last little thing is gonna be eyebrow gel. So as you see, this is my finished neutral on the go everyday type of look, you know, whatever you want to call it. This is what I do when I don't want to do too much. I haven't posted a video in a really long time. It's been too long, too long. I'm done with that, done putting it off. I don't know what the hell has gotten into me, but like, I'm ready. I'm fucking ready. The time is now. I'm gonna keep it coming. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. Whenever I feel like a video, I'm gonna pop up and I'm gonna be posted. So if you want to see another video of mine, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see, what kind of looks you're into, anything you want to see me do, try, feel free to leave it all below. Thank you again for watching. My name is Selena.